guys, so today I'm bringing you all to the paddy field in Sekingchang. It is known very famous, and as you guys can see, the paddies are golden in color because they are ripping right now as they're ripping, and it looks beautiful. You guys can come here whenever you want. It's worth the time coming. Yeah, it's an amazing place. You can see a lot of beautiful weeds and trees, sky. It's a beautiful place where you can take pictures at and all that kind of stuff. You can enjoy with your family and take a photo, put it in a picture frame, memories, and it's gonna be a very good memory. It will be winter time. Thank you guys for spending time with me today at the Sekingchang Paddy Field. I wish you guys will come here whenever when you're free. And I'll see you guys next time. Sometimes. So I'll see you guys. Bye.